Welcome to Factful Finance, where we dive into the real world of personal finance with clarity and confidence. Let me start with a surprising fact. Did you know that nearly 30% of Americans make mistakes when filing their taxes? It's true, and those errors can cost you a lot more than you might think. So today, we're going to demystify tax season, helping you understand what it is, why it matters, and how you can be prepared to navigate it like a pro. Now, before we get started, let me make one thing clear. The information provided here is for educational purposes only. Always consult a professional for personalized guidance. All right, tax season. What is it exactly? At its core, tax season is the period each year when individuals and businesses are required to file their tax returns for the previous year. In the US, this typically takes place between January 1st and April 15th, though the exact dates can vary. It's when the government asks for your income details, deductions, credits, and other relevant financial information to determine how much tax you owe or how much of a refund you'll receive. But here's the thing, most people don't just file their taxes for fun. Tax season is actually a critical time to get your financial house in order. You see, many of us are underprepared for tax season, often scrambling to gather paperwork last minute. This can lead to missed deductions, overlooked credits, or worse, unnecessary penalties. So let's break it down into key steps to help you ace this. First, gather your documents early. This means everything from your W-2s, if you're employed, to any 1099s, if you're self-employed or have freelance income, and even mortgage interest statements. The sooner you collect these, the easier the filing process becomes. Second, take a good look at your deductions. For example, did you buy a home or donate to charity this year? These are common deductions that can lower your taxable income. It's also important to consider tax credits. Different from deductions, these can reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Things like education credits or child tax credits could put money back in your pocket. Third, decide how to file. If your taxes are straightforward, filing online might be your best option. There are many user-friendly platforms that guide you through the process. But if your situation is more complex, maybe you own a business or have multiple sources of income, hiring a tax professional can save you time and money, ensuring you're maximizing deductions and staying compliant. And here's where it gets real. Mistakes can cost you. In 2023 alone, taxpayers overpaid nearly $150 billion due to errors. By being proactive during tax season and staying organized, you can avoid common pitfalls like missing deadlines or making costly miscalculations. Now here's a hypothetical scenario. Let's say Sarah, a freelancer, made $45,000 last year. She's planning to file her taxes, but doesn't keep track of her expenses throughout the year. She forgets to claim business-related deductions, like her home office or travel expenses. As a result, she ends up paying an extra $2,000 in taxes that she didn't need to. Had she kept better records, she could have avoided that extra payment. The good news? This doesn't have to be your story. With the right preparation and knowledge, you can make tax season work for you. And if you're looking for tools to help manage this process, check out budgeting apps or tax prep software. They're designed to simplify things. To sum up, tax season is your opportunity to take control of your finances for the year ahead. Get your paperwork organized early, explore your deductions and credits, and consider getting professional help if necessary. Most importantly, stay ahead of the game to avoid unnecessary stress. What's the first step you'll take toward mastering tax season this year? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance. If you found this video helpful, why not hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss out on expert tips that can make your financial life easier.